Well, here we are on top of the bridge, US 1 bridge, and most of the boats have gone through. As you can see, looking west here, and they're all going down to Palm Beach Harbor now. Palm Beach, it's called the Lake Worth Inlet is where they're all going. It's about a half an hour by boat south. And this is the first part of the rally. And then if you look over here, you have the second part of the rally. And everybody's filming this one. There we go. That'll make the front page. Picked the wrong day to go through here. But enjoy it. This is history. This is the other side now, as we're looking out into the inlet. They can't keep us down here, that's for sure. This is it, man. Everybody's out today. You know it. This is a Trump rally Jupiter style. Everybody's here today.
I know.
All right. This is what happens when
you tell us no.
Somebody puts up a Trump flag across from the POA Admiral's Cove.
Exactly. That's what happens.
And Gavidia paints his boat.
Yep.
And then he organizes this.
Yep.
This is fantastic.